Hey guys, welcome back to our vlogs. I hope you all are doing well. We are Meet the Mathurs and you guys must be wondering, are we guys crazy to step out of the house? And you guys must be totally judging us right now and thinking we are completely crazy. But there is a reason why हम घर से बाहर निकले हैं. We had to get Ira's vaccination and this is not a COVID vaccination obviously because babies के लिए अभी नहीं निकला है. This is a general vaccination which has already been delayed over a month now. तो हमें आज कराना ही था. Even our doctor has suggested that please come. The clinic is very safe क्योंकि हमारी डॉक्टर भी vaccinated है and she's only seeing one patient. Literally 2 patients in the day. So अगर वो अभी हमें देखेगी फिर her next patient is going to be in the evening. So they have enough time to sanitize. So we couldn't delay the process and we had to get this done and obviously Ira is really small right now so we can't take any sort of risk and keep delaying her vaccinations because those are very very important and crucial for the babies. तो इसलिए हम निकल गए हैं and feels good to step out also. It's घर बैठे बैठे also you start feeling a little sad and not depressed but like you get a little sad. You want to step out, you want to go on a drive or something. So आज वो भी हो गया. So it feels really nice. Abhishek is driving the car and Ira is sitting on her car seat and we have Ira's nanny behind also. So it's a good outing for all of us. तो हम निकल गए हैं. Hopefully we should be there on time. We're a little late. Today I am totally dreading this because जब Ira की vaccination appointment होती है it is so annoying because बेचारी वो रोती है and I really can't take it. I'm sure nobody can take it. It is so sad to even because I don't even know, like then they she starts crying, she can't stop. It takes her a really long time to keep quiet. So and then the full day she's very drowsy also. So I don't like it, but what needs to be done needs to be done. By the way, how amazing is my mask chain? I'm absolutely loving this. I got this from this Instagram page called Urban Blings and I even got this mask and just in case you guys are wondering, I'm wearing this mask only. Well, that's not true. I have another mask in the car itself. So जब मैं निकलूंगी for the doctor, I'm going to wear 2 masks, one inside this and then I'm going to wear this on top because this is nice and big. It covers my entire face. So I will wear 2 masks and this chain and this mask is from Urban Bling. They have some beautiful colors. I got 3 colors. One this yellow, which is my, by the way, favorite, and I got a green and I got a blue and the dark blue. It is so beautiful. They even have these chunky chains. So these are the thin chains and they even have chunky chains. Now I'm going to buy the chunky chains. And the best thing about these chains is that you can see is आप अपने sunglasses या spectacles भी डाल सकते हैं and you can, there's a hook and there's a thing for putting the sunglasses and all. So थोड़ा सा अभिषेक music तो लगाओ. Let's enjoy the car drive after 1 month or so. No, last time we got out was for our vaccination. But we were so scared and petrified. So right now we're feeling a little more calmer than last time, है ना?
Better than last time. Last time तो हम इतने टाइम बाद निकल रहे थे और ये सब हो रहा था. But Delhi में cases भी काफी better हो गए हैं. Positivity rate is less than 12% and क्या कहते हैं 8,000 हो गए हैं.
Yeah, that's
less than the 20,000, 30,000 पता नहीं क्या हो रहा था per day.
Yeah, but there's still no oxygen. There's still bed की problems. What about all of that? Like
वो तो रही वो थोड़ा वैक्सीन ही नहीं है.
Vaccine ही नहीं है अभी, as you guys know. So even though we are going a little lower, all thanks to the lockdown, which is amazing, but we still don't have beds. We still have oxygen issues. We don't have the vaccine available. So there is still a lot of long way to go. There's a lot of struggle still happening with India, but I know we will all pull through और सब ठीक हो जाएगा. I hope you guys अपने registration करा रहे हो और अपना vaccine ले रहे हो. Please जो भी available है लो. Don't think कि नहीं मैं Sputnik लूँगी, मैं वो लूँगी, मैं ये लूँगी, मैं बाहर से मैं बाहर जाऊँगी वहाँ से लूँगी. Just get what you can. Trust me. We're literally in a, this is a pandemic and do not think. You don't have a choice. So just get it. Anyways, let's not talk about coronavirus because that's all we talk about. Let's concentrate on this road, which is surprisingly not empty. Why are people traveling?
नहीं वो road traffic तो तुम्हारे को अभी भी मिल रहा है. मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं है because people are still working. It's lockdown, but essential services के लिए चलो या people are going because they want probably somewhere some place there is vaccinations available or maybe they're going to the hospitals, or maybe they're delivering goods, or maybe they're going to meet, family who's not, who needs help. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yeah, there are multiple reasons. I hope those are only the reasons and people are not thinking that चलो घूमने चलते हैं पार्क में. I really hope that. We are back home and her vaccination is done. Literally when she entered the clinic only she started crying, but the time of the injection it didn't pain her that much, more than the anxiety of actually I think being in the clinic. Now we're back home, we've washed our hair, we've changed, we've had a full bath of all of that. I even did a quick sponge bath for Ira, changed her clothes. Obviously we have to take all the precautions guys because it's super scary outside. और अब हो गया है लंच टाइम, सो आई एम क्विकली गोइंग टू गो एंड ईट लंच. मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है, सो लेट मी शो यू व्हाट इज देयर फॉर लंच टुडे. लेट्स गो. सो गाइस दिस इज आवर लंच. गाजर, चिकन, पालक, एंड नो वन इज हियर एज यू कैन सी. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर एवरीबॉडी टू कम बट आई एम स्टार्विंग. तो मैंने अपना खाना डाल लिया है. सो गाइज इफ येस्टरडे आपने मेरा व्लॉग देखा था देन यू वुड हैव सीन मैंने वाटरमेलन पॉप्सिकल्स बनाए थे एंड आई वांटेड टू शो यू हाउ दे आर लुकिंग एंड द रील इज ऑलरेडी अप ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम. इफ यू गाइज हैव नॉट सीन इट देन मेक श्योर यू गाइज आर फॉलोइंग मी ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम. माय हैंडल इज कॉल्ड वामिका माथुर एंड द एंटायर रेसिपी इज ऑन इट. सो लेट मी शो यू हाउ अमेजिंग दीज पॉप्सिकल्स आर लुकिंग. It out. Look at that guys. This is the chocolate chips here and that's how yummy it is looking. I'm going to eat this up right now. So guys, I'm having my popsicle. Oh my god. That is the secret chocolate chips. Yum. The combination of all of this is just yummy. Hi Ira. Can you hear the chocolate chips?
What is this?
Watermelon popsicle. It's in the fridge for you. I'm gonna give him another one. Fresh one. How's it? Yum, na? He took like a big chunk of it and he's like, I got a brain freeze.
वही नीचे क्या है?
That is yogurt. Popsicle was delicious, but let me tell you something. It's so weird कि आज मैं बाहर गई थी after so long. Obviously, the vaccination day is not counted because we were so scared to step out. So practically, we were not concentrating on anything else but कि हमें vaccination लगने वाली है. But today when we went out and I came back home, I'm feeling so good that I have come back home. Like I'm not missing outside. मुझे बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है कि घूमने का and all. Like I was eagerly waiting कि when will I come home? When will I just relax, sit on my couch, do my work, play with Ira and just be home. And I think that is what is an amazing feeling कि मतलब बाहर जाकर भी मुझे कोई intention नहीं है बाहर रहने की. I'm very very happy in my own zone, in my own comfort and I guess because our day is also so like packed from morning till night. मतलब हम अपने पैरों पे होते हैं like Abhishek and I. He's got his own set of work. I've got my own set of work. And obviously, we're so hands-on with Ira also. So I guess that also makes a lot of difference that हमें पता ही नहीं चलता हमारा दिन कहाँ निकल जाता है. लेकिन बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि हम घर वापस आ गए हैं. The stress of even being out is like, it's just too much. गलत ना टच कर लिया, सैनिटाइज करो हाथ को, ये करो वो करो, दरवाजा मत छूना. I mean, it's just so much stress outside that I just rather be in my house where I can freely walk around without a mask, be in my own house secure. I think that is a blessing, guys. And whoever is in their home right now, who's got everything in their home and is secure with their family, thank your stars. Really just thank God. I thank God every single day कि हम ठीक हैं और बस ये हमें पार करा दो. This is a bad time and God just make us go through it quickly and safely, and that's what is most important. So there's nothing outside, guys. Do not get depressed. उल्टा जो आप घर पर हो बैठे हो that is what should make you happy. That's a vacation. You guys are practically on a vacation. Imagine what is happening outside a house. Kya log people are going through. No beds, no oxygens, like you already know. So the situation is so bad that imagine yourself that आप vacation पे हो, आप अपना टीवी देख सकते हो, आप relax कर सकते हो, अपने पैर ऊपर कर सकते हो, आप खाना खा सकते हो, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, and you are in your comfort zone. So this is something to be thankful for, and I thought I'd share with you guys. As you guys know, I always share everything I feel and, you know, put it out there, and I know many of you feel and think the same way as me, so that's why I love sharing these thoughts, because you always write such amazing comments that I feel the same way and this and that, and it feels really good that, you know, there's like-minded people that are also following our channel. So that also makes me feel really nice, and that, I guess that's the reason why also we do these everyday vlogs where we show you our life. We might not be doing everything exciting, party, ye sab, wo sab, but I'm so happy that you guys even enjoy our basic, जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, या you know, I'm making something in the kitchen, or I'm making Ira's food. Like, I'm glad that you guys are enjoying our basic life. But literally, like I'm saying to you guys, जैसे आप हमें देखते हो, just imagine your life also like a vacation, because it is. So that's all the lecture for today. I hope आपको ये vlog पसंद आया. Please do let us know in the comments below what you guys thought. हमें subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. Lot of hard work goes into making vlogs every single day. It is not easy. You know, your support truly means a lot to us. Do press the bell icon to be notified with our newest vlog. And I'm sure you guys can give me a thumbs up, because we're really working hard. So we're going to see you guys in our next vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and we're going to see you guys super soon. Bye!